This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Nicole Piette. Beautifully updated home in established Norfolk neighborhood on a huge corner lot. Open floor plan with large family room, gourmet kitchen with granite and stainless appliances. Very spacious master suite plus 2 additional bedrooms and 2.5 baths. Great space outdoors for relaxing with a side yard and decks off the front and back of the home. Home has a detached garage and storage shed. Shed to convey as is. Close to bases, shopping and interstate. For more information, review the details below.